Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. This will be a quick one with Paulo Londra, Recién Soltera. And yeah, I really like Paulo. If you like this kind of songs, and yeah, then feel free to stop by at Garden Guitar. He has some great songs, Paulo, there. I like his energy. He's always happy, pretty much. And this time with the Recién Soltera, I believe it translates into newly single. So that is maybe why he's extra happy today. Let's take a look at this song. And it's very, very easy to play this one. We have a clean fretboard, no need for any capo here. We have 4 easy chords, and it goes like that from the beginning till the end. So yeah, let's do the chords. Gonna start with A minor, and we have open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We move up here to the E minor, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have a bar chord next, and that's the F. So you'll play the index finger here on the first fret and cover all strings. And then you need to add third fret on the A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord will be G. So that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Now that's the order of the chords: A minor, E minor, F, and G. It goes like that. And we need to learn the strumming pattern. So let's take a look at the strumming with the A minor. So grab that one, and one round goes down, up, clap, down. Okay, that's a very common strumming and rhythm when it comes to these kind of songs. So again, one down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. And a couple of rounds. And so on. You're gonna play only one string round per chord, and you already know the chord progression: A minor, E minor, F, G. Let's do a couple of rounds. Alright guys, so that happens to be Recién Soltera from Paulo Londra. Good luck with this one, guys, and until next time, play tuned.